we're right now looking for parking, and everywhere is a one-way. Abigail's freaking out. We just met our Zumba friends. They're so cool. We love them. They helped us with directions. Mom's trying to tell Abigail something.
You're gonna have to keep going that way, honey.
Why?
Park at
that meter.
I hate Louisville. I hate it.
Go left. Go left.
You can say that, yes, we are having many technical difficulties.
Just take a meter. There's so many meters.
And look, parking!
Wait.
Right here.
No, I am parking. We are. Oh,
Yes, that's Twin Street.
Yeah, those are like $20.
No, go back out and go over there, please. Go backwards.
Why do you just reverse? Nikki, how do you feel?
I'm just laughing. I'm just watching all you guys just say different directions. I'm just staying quiet. I'm not the driver, and I praise the Lord.
Look.
Where we go, then where we're from. What am I looking at, Mom?
You're welcome to come. Say hi in the hills. You can see up our names. And even if you hear, you can hear our praise. We go boom, tap, boom, boom, tap, booming.
Parking spots. What do they do with all those?
Yeah.
It's Kendra contract parking only.
It's WHAS 11 News, ABC.
Oh, $3.50 parking
Well,
all
Mom,
day.
you're gonna be having to hurry to talk to what's her name.
Yep. It's 4:44. You are late.
It's okay. You're on a date.
Mom, look at me.
Are we taking a right?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm great.
Are you aggravated?
Take a
No.
right.
Mom,
I think it's hilarious.
Mom's ready for us to go.
Mom, don't you think that the Lord has a great sense of humor?
Look, here's your
I'm not parking.
System parking.
Alright, Mom.
Mom, take a meter.
When you see the 4th Street,
This is 4th Street.
are you sure this is? Mom, cuatro.
Oh,
Are we on a one-way? Parking these meters to the
No,
left.
this is 4th Street.
Guys, this is not 4th Street.
This is 4th Street.
This is 4th Street.
I've been on
Where?
4th Street plenty of times.
I'm gonna turn right.
Take
so
a
I know all about.
take a right and go to where.
Wait, can I turn right or red?
Yes, you did already. Okay. Ask these girls where you should park.
No, Mom, I'm telling you.
These are the same girls that told us to park back there.
Yeah.
We're still looking for parking.
Listen, there's a parking space right up here where we park. You guys can
That
park
was
there.
Broadway, right?
It's coming up right at this stoplight.
Oh, there's so many bicycles here. I want
Why are they opening a trunk in the middle of the road?
This is a ghetto.
You gotta be careful where we park because we gotta get out at night.
What in the world?
Where am I parking?
right here.
In here?
No,
Yeah.
you can't.
All
see those
deliveries
cars?
use 5th Street. Drop off only.
No, not you.
No, it's right up here. You're gonna take a right, Abigail.
Can I ask these
No, you're not gonna ask anything, Jasmine. We got all